Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit curd salad updated. Start by choosing a base curd and 3 fresh fruits, then prep and zest citrus. Whisk curd until silky, fold in diced fruit gently to avoid breaking pieces. Chill the mixture for at least 1 hour to firm up and let flavors marry. Finish with a light garnish before serving for a fresh, colorful presentation. Warm welcome. Let's gather ingredients and prep efficiently so you stay relaxed and organized. Measure curd and fruits precisely, zest citrus over a bowl to capture oils, and dice fruit into consistent sizes for balanced bites. If fruit is very juicy, drain briefly to prevent soggy curd. Keep garnishes like mint or toasted nuts separate until assembly. Freshness at this stage makes a simple salad sing with flavor and texture. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep sharing tasty ideas. Quick recommendation. Life is too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling great. It pairs oddly well with citrus notes in this salad. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll assemble and serve in a way that highlights color and texture while keeping things approachable. Gently fold fruit into the curd with a spatula, using broad strokes to coat without crushing pieces. Spoon into chilled bowls or a serving dish, then refrigerate at least 1 hour so the salad firms and flavors meld. Just before serving, add a bright garnish and serve chilled for a refreshing, elegant result guests will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.